Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradeWinds.com, and this is our update for October 25th, 2016. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, we saw a bit more selling, and today's excuse, once again, was crude and earnings. Actually, it was one of the biggest days of the earnings season, and a little disappointing. Started off early, but, overall, it was just very flat. I mean, we're in this flat to sideways kind of market here, and we need a catalyst to get us out of here. And as bad or as good as some of those earnings announcements have been, they've just been some individual reports that overall have not really affected the markets. Today, the Dow was down 53 points, while the S&P 500 was down 8, and the Nasdaq was down 26. The Russell was down a bit more here, down 10 points. It actually has a bit of downward momentum, but as long as it stays above the September lows, it will be fine. TLT, the 20-year Treasury ETF, finished the day higher by 35 cents, while gold actually bounced a little up, about 10 points, and crude was down over 1%. Still hugging that 20-period moving average here that is sloping higher. So, one of the things to keep an eye on this week are companies like Amazon, Tesla, Google. They all report in the next couple of days, and they're huge, and they could have an impact. So that's something to keep an eye on. Today we had Apple after the market. It's down about 3% after hours, and CMG is also down 3%. While Panera is up 6%. Again, we'll see how that affects the markets in the morning. I really don't think it's going to have a huge impact either way, but until or unless either the September lows or highs are broken, it's more of the same. So that's what we can expect. Okay, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.